What's up guys, Shorty here, back here with another video. So for this video, I'll be opening 4 Rebel Clash packs. So I've opened a few already in my time of Rebel Clash. And I've packed a few good things. Just trying to find some of them now. Here we go. Here's 2 of them I packed. Here's the Eldegoss, Full Art, and the Toxtricity. It's the ones I packed. So hopefully, gonna pack some more, especially with 4 packs. So let's get it open. So there's the code card, and it's 4 from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess the energy. Let's go lightning. Hey! Lightning class. So lightning energy. Durant, Electrode, Tool Scrapper, Galarian Yamask, Applin, Hatenna, Aracuda, Galarian Meowth, Reverse Holo Grubbin, then we've got normal Mandibuzz. That's not good for the first pack. Right, time for the second pack. Let's see what we get. So here's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water. Grass energy. Then we got Nugget, Tranquil, Horror Energy, never heard of that, Skunky, Clefairy, Voltorb, Nosepass, Wingull, Reverse Holo, Galarian Meowth. Then we've got, is that a holo? No, that's normal. Galarian Mr. Rhyme. Or third pack. Come on Arceus. Give us some luck. Last 2 packs. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I forgot to do guess energy. So we got ground, fighting, Heatmore, Xatu, Tranquil, Akaroka, Arcudo, that one, Galarian Meowth, Surskit, Magikarp, Meditite, Reverse Holo Palpito. Then we've got a normal Magmortar. Last pack. Let's see what we get. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning energy. Hey. Hatterene, Carkol, Beware, Helioptile, Voltorb, Sandygast, Vulpix, my guy. Put him over there. Coffin, Electivire Reverse. Then we've got, oh my god. Is that, it is. Yes, boys. Sonia, Full Art. Yes, boys, Sonia Full Art. I will take that. It was looking bad at the start. Definitely worth it. I will take that. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it took a while to do a Pokemon pack opening. Just had to find the time. And yeah, that's the only pull we got. Sorry if it took a while to like get to the last pack, especially with the 3 packs we didn't pack anything. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell if you so you don't miss a video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.